Hello children, welcome to Keralatham Memorial CBSE School online classes. In our previous class, we have started the exercise of lesson number 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 questions I have completed. Now let's start A, multiple choice questions. Observe the adjoining division and answer the quotient 1 to 5. There are 5 multiple choice questions. And they have given adjoining problem here. One division problem they have given. Observing this problem, we need to answer the following multiple choice questions. First one. This way of dividing a number is called. Just see 16 2s are 32, 16 3s are 48, 16 4s are 64, 16 1s are 16. It has gone long division method. So it takes more time to divide the dividend and to get the quotient. So that this is called as simple division, no. Short division also no. Lattice division also no. This is long division. So first one is A. First one, D option, long division. This is long division. The second question. The dividend is in the given question. Which is the dividend? 37,456 is the dividend. That is A option. 37,456 is the dividend. The divisor is third one. Which is the divisor? For which one we will call it as a divisor? Who is going to divide the dividend or who is going to do the division process? That is known as divisor. So which number is divisor in this? 16 is the divisor. Which option it is? Third one, B, 16. Then fourth one, the divisor is 16. Okay, the quotient is. Which is the answer? That is only quotient. That is C, 2341. The fifth question. The remainder is there any remainder? No. We got 0 as the remainder. So option D, 0 is the answer. Next, sixth. If 61,870 is rounded off to the nearest 10 thousands and divided by 10, the quotient is. We'll do that. So 61,870 has to rounded up for the 10,000. Once tens, 100,000, 10,000. So if we divide this for a 10,000, so this will become 60,000. So 60,000 divided by 10. They are asking 10. So 1 0 will cancel. What will be the answer? 6,000 will be the answer. So the option B, 6,000 is the answer. Okay. Let's go to the next. True or false? B. True or false? First one. 0 divided by any number may or may not give 0. 0 by any number, it is not giving 0. May or may not give 0, they are telling. But this is not having any value. So this is false. This we will call it as an indefinite or not valid. Okay, that is false. Second one, a number when divided by 7 gives a remainder as a 6. When the successor of the number is divided by 7, the remainder will be 0. A number when divided by 7, a number is divided by 7, it gives the remainder 6. When the successor of this number is divided by 7, so this will be x plus 1 divided by 7. Okay, divided by 7. Then the remainder will be 0. Then the remainder will be 0. So that is will be 0. Yes, because the number is dividing by 7. It is remainder is 6. If the number is become successor of this, that time the remainder will be 7 because 1 will be extra. So 7 1 to 7 it will go. So remainder will be 0. I will tell you one example. (27) divided by 7. So what will be the remainder? 6 because 27 by 7. 7 3s are 21. This is the 6 is the remainder. So if I take the successor of 27, it will become 28. So divided by 7. Now 28 by 7. 7 4s are. So remainder will be 0. So this is true. I hope you understood this. Next, question number 3, statement 3. If 1,26,895 is divided by 10, remainder is 5. Yes, true. Just you observe the units place, that is 5. So if we divide it by 10, always 5 will be the remainder. Next, fourth one. Remainder is always more than the divisor. False. If remainder is more than the divisor, again it will go for division. Then fifth, a divisor fact does not give rise to a multiplication fact. No, false it is. Next, fill in the blanks. C. Page number 290 I am talking about. Fill in the blanks. I'll write it here. First one. 41,275 divided by 25 is equal to 1651. Then 1651 into 25 is equal to, this is the multiplication or division fact. Quotient into divisor is equal to again dividend. What is the option answer? That is dividend. 41,275. Okay. Next, second one. 15,300 into 15 is equal to 1,020. Then 1,500, 300 divided by 1020 is equal to 50. This is division fact. Here this is divided by 15 and got the quotient. Again this is also factor of this one. So this again divide by this, we will get the another factor. Third one, if A and B are two non-zero numbers and one dividing A by B remainder is 0, we say A is divisible by B. So answer is 0. Fourth, if T2 is divisible divided divided by 100. I told you already, quotient and remainder, what will be there? Think about zeros, only 2. So this will become remainder and this will become quotient. They are asking about quotient, remainder. So answer is 92. How many zeros will be there in the 100? That much number you should select from the divider. Next, fifth. If 98,000 is divided by 1000, quotient is, see here, I'll write it here, 981200 divided by 1000. How many zeros? 3 zeros. This is remainder and this is quotient. So answer is 181 is the answer. Next, crossword puzzle they have given. So let's draw it. Once again I will read out the answers. First, C is 41,275. Second one is 50. Third one is 0. Fourth one is 92. Fifth one is 981. Now crossword. B cross word. Let's draw this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here also one more. 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. Next here 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now let's see the questions. Crossword, it's like a puzzle. We'll see this. First question, across. Across means side by side. First one, number I have to mention. This is 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 6 and this is 5. Crossword, across, third one. 132 divided by 12 gives 11 as a. So 132 divided by 12. 12 ones are 12. 3 minus 2, 1. And this is 2. 12 minus 12. Then what is the 11? This is quotient. Q-U-O-T-I-E-N-T. Q-U-O-T-I-E-N-T, quotient. Then fourth one, this one. 123 divided by 12 gives 10 as a quotient and 3 as a remainder. R-E-M-A-I-N-D-E-R, remainder. Then sixth one, this called from a number from which we will divide, that is called as divisor. D-I-V-I-S-O-R. Now crossword across has finished. Now we have to see downwards. First one, this one. A division fact gives rise to a corresponding multiplication, that is called as fact. Multiplication fact and division fact. Next, second one, the number being divided is called. Which one is being divided is called dividend. D-I-V-I-D-E-N-D, dividend. Next, last one, a number cannot be divided by 0. From 0 we cannot divide. This is puzzle, or you can call it as a crossword. So last word problem, write this. E. In a cricket tournament, the final match was played between City Cricket Club and Modern Cricket Club. Modern Cricket Club won the match and its player Mohit was declared the man of the match. He won prize money 2,25,000. He shared the prize money with his other 14 teammates. What was the share of each teammate? Solution. Total amount as prize is equal to how much they got? 2,25,000. So number of members in team is equal to 14 members. So divide it. Each amount for each member is equal to rupees 2,25,000 divided by 14. So do the division and do it here. 2,25,000. So take it. First one, don't give here commas. 2,25,000. So first consider 22. 14 ones are 14. 14 twos are 28 will become. So 12 minus 4, 8. 12 minus 2 minus 2, 0. Take next, that is 85. Now 14 5s are 70. 5 minus 0, 5. 8 minus 7, 1. So 14 5 is 75. Just a minute. See here, along with the man of the match, there are 14 members. So it will become 15 members. So 15 ones are 15. 7 is remaining 5. Then 15 5s are 75 0. This 0 will come here. Thus each will get Rs 15,000. I forgot to tell that 14 members in his team plus the man of the match. So total members are 15. So complete up till this in your fair notebook, and tomorrow we will start the next lesson, factors and the multiples. Okay, thank you.